Hello guys, so today uh there's so much rain going on right now. It is like a river. Yeah, yeah. This is not a street anymore. This is a river now. So you might heard that there are cloudbursts going on in the mountains, right? Rain going on. So yeah. Now here there's much rain going on. So yeah, I think that's I think that's cool. So it's that's really good. So you can see that. So yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe, tell your brothers and parents and subscribe to the channel. And bye. I hope you had a good day.